Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is October 22nd, 2019, and I'm at home working on motors again. We're going to start here today, or we're going to get this one here. Video today is it's a 1988 15 horse Evinrude. I've been messing around with this motor for about a year, gathering the parts and pieces and stuff like that to make it complete. When I picked it up, it had a bad power head. You know, piston was melted down. It was missing the cylinder head. It was missing the hood. So the hood is actually off of a 91 15 Evinrude, and I just repainted it to match. And you know, so I did a power head on it and resealed the gear case, new water pump impeller, did the carb kit, recoil rope, fuel lines, carburetor rebuild. I mean, all the stuff that it takes to get them running. Anyway, we're giving it a try, and it sounds fantastic. That would sound nice. It's kind of choking on its own exhaust tube. It's cold outside. It's about 20 degrees though. Still need to find a plug here. Yep, well, another one done. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.